So I thought I'd keep the thunder and lightning behind me as I do my best to philosophize, or something. It's interesting what nature does on its own, just like our own bodies. They often do their own thing. In fact, they're always doing their own thing. We don't govern ourselves. We don't tell our heart to beat. We clearly are a part of something amazing. I don't know. It's so cool. I just wanted to share this final video and evening with you. Thank you always for watching. Have a wonderful evening. I'll see you tomorrow.